What are your hobbies? I like reading and English. What can you tell me about bees? Bees live in large families, up to 20,000 bees. Males do not work. The house of bees is called a beehive. A family has a queen. What do you think about this place? I really like this place. What is the most important scientific discovery in the 20th century? It may be the discovery of nuclear energy. What kind of fishes are there in our rivers? There are pikes, perches, breams, sturgeons in our river. What school did you graduate from? I finished secondary school. What time is it? It's 6 p.m. Where did you get this picture? It was given to me by a friend of mine. Which would you like, coffee or tea? Coffee, please. Who takes care of the passengers while they are traveling? Guards take care of the passengers while they are traveling in trains. Would you like a coffee? Okay. Would you like something to drink? Thank you. Could I have a cup of coffee and some cake? Would you like to come with us? Yeah, that would be great. Are you angry with me? Not at all. Are you married? I'm single. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Can I borrow your lighter? Mine has run out of gas. Did you like the movie? Yes, I thought it was very good. Do you have a car? No, I don't. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers. Do you have good sight? I am long-sighted. Do you like to go to the movies? Yes, I go to the movies a lot. Do you smoke? I am a heavy smoker. Do you write verses? I don't write verses. Have you eaten all the bread? Not quite. Have you ever been to America? I've been there 3 times. Have you ever put up at a hotel? I often go on business trips and put up at hotels. Have you ordered tea with lemon? Yes, I have ordered tea with lemon. How much is it? It's on sale for $30. In what cases do planes stop flying? Planes stop flying in the fog. Is it going to rain? I hope not. What is the news? My friend is going to get married. What is your wife? My wife is a teacher. What shall we do this today? Would you like to see a movie tonight? What will stand in the right-hand corner? A small table will stand in the right-hand corner. What's the weather like today? Hot and humid. When did you hear thunder roll last time? I heard thunder roll a week ago. When do you get off work? I get off work at 6. When was the last time you ate? 3 hours ago. Where is your certificate of education? I have it in my bag. Who is your favorite writer? My favorite writer is Dostoevsky. You haven't met my mother, have you? No, I haven't. Are you Brazilian? No, I'm not. Are you off alcohol? I am off alcohol. Caroline looks tired, doesn't she? Yes, she worked very hard. Did your parents have a good trip? Yes, they did. Do you go in for sports? I go in for gymnastics, skating. Do you have a thermometer out of doors? Yes, we have a thermometer placed out of window. Do you have any doubt about it? No, I have no doubt about it. Do you like KW shopping? Yes, I do.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.